The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Happy Friday. Crazy to believe that it is January with how it feels outside. There's a live look at the airport, the Roanoke-Blacksburg Regional Airport Skycam right now. Temperatures are in the 60s and the 70s. Roanoke's at 74, Lynchburg 73, Covington, Lexington at 69 degrees. We are making our way very close to record territory this afternoon. Looking at highs in the upper 60s in the NRV and Highlands. Outside of that, 73 to 76 is what we can expect to hit in Roanoke, Lynchburg, and in Southside. Now, these temperature swings, the rain we've seen, it may actually add to some potholes when you have road weakness and travel flow causing some of that weakness over time. Here's what happens as we move forward. We've had plenty of rainfall, so the water kind of seeps under the road. And then after that, we had that hard freeze over the past several days. So the weakness in the road is forced upward, and then we start to drive over it. You see the melting with temperatures in the 60s and 70s, and that's how those potholes can come about. So something to watch out for here as we see that wild swing in temperatures. Overnight, though, not too wild, just a little mild, actually. Temperatures about 45 to 50 degrees. Then as we head into tomorrow, looking at about a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain. Localized flooding, therefore, is a possibility for those of us in the yellow, near and to the south of the Roanoke Valley as rain starts to spread northward after about lunchtime. So future tracker by 3-4 p.m. showing that area of rain, especially in the New River Valley, Roanoke Valley, and Highlands, and then sort of blossoming from there. The yellows and the oranges an indication of the heavier rain that's going to be moving in from time to time, especially tomorrow evening. Even heading into tomorrow night and very early Sunday, we'll see one last gasp of very heavy rain. Then by 7 or 8 a.m. Sunday, if we do see anything, it's going to be pretty hit and miss. Temperatures take a back seat. We're not going to be in the 60s and 70s tomorrow. Highs mostly 54 to 58 degrees. And then fast forward to Sunday, things a little cooler in the 40s in the NRV. Everybody else about 50 to 56 degrees. Then as we head into Monday, on the backside of this system, the wind will start to pick up, start to blow in some colder airs. It's coming in out of the northwest, gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour, and a little bit of mountain snow as well. That's going to be on our western slopes. That storm system pulls away. A weaker one comes in out of the northwest, and so by Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, we'll see some isolated rain and some mountain snow. But outside of that, next week is actually going to be kind of steady for us. We'll take that. Remember, earlier in the week, we were in the single digits and teens. Now it feels like late April, so a lot going on this week. Tomorrow, we're tracking, again, some rounds of rain, localized flooding, a possibility for some streams and creeks. Highs on Sunday mostly in the 40s and 50s, and we'll kind of bounce back between the 40s and 50s throughout much of next week, but at least not bouncing between teens and 70s. This is one of the more wild temperature swings I think I've seen.
I had major dog mom guilt this morning, leaving my dog. It's like 70-some degrees today. It's sunny. He's looking out the window like, oh, okay, I guess I'll just wait till
take a nap.
Wait till later for it to go out.
But
it's beautiful out there.
It is, so if you have a little bit of time and can get outside, just soak it up, and then hopefully in another 3 months this becomes the norm.
All right, Chris, we'll take it. Thank you.